If you keep to your process, you keep to your plan, things will work out. If things are really, significantly not going correct, then you may have to go back and look at your trade plan and look at your overall plan. But, as John, you've taught me and have taught, many, you don't want to go and do the wrong process and get a good result and then feel good about it.
Right. Yep.
Because that just leads to things that aren't good for you.
No, you train yourself to do the wrong thing that way. So
Right.
eventually it catches up to you.
Exactly. And so, and part of that is that, my mantra has always been, and I tell people is that, I really try to keep things simple, whether that be what kind of a computer you got at home, the number of computers that you have at home, the time you spend at your computer, the style of trading that you do, the number of trades that you have on at any one time. These are all things which I constantly go over with students